Oh my goodness. What's up? Welcome to today's vlog. Liv, is it morning time? Not even close, is it?
Welcome to Minnesota.
Minnesota. It is such amazing weather. Well, welcome to today's vlog, you guys. We have done so much today already that we are excited to share with you guys, but we can't yet. So, for today's vlog, we're actually going to show you something a little bit different. And then what we did this morning and all day, we're going to show you guys that a little bit later. But we are in an aquarium at the Mall of America again, and we're going to go on an all-access behind-the-scenes tour. We're going to see sharks, we're going to see fish, we're going to see turtles, sea turtles, and a bunch of different stuff. So I cannot wait to show you guys. It's going to be really awesome. My goodness. Look at that. What?
It changed color. The pot made him go red because he does matching the pot.
Oh, wow.
And now when he goes off the surface,
Yeah?
and he changed color.
Wow, you're so smart. Do you know what that is called?
No.
It's called an octopus. Can you say octopus? Look at that, you guys. That is crazy. Really awesome, like behind the scenes tour, but they didn't let us film
And look
because
at
what'd you get, Meg?
this.
A book? So they didn't let us film because it was kind of like above the water and a bunch of stuff like that. But we got to see huge, what were they? Huge what?
Shark.
So big, like a ginormous sharks and turtles and a bunch of fish and stuff. So now we're gonna go underneath the water to go look at the shark. You ready?
We can find the one that looks like a sock. Remember that
Oh,
one?
yeah.
And I wish we could find Nemo.
Whoa.
I'll go next.
Look at that, you guys.
We can look up.
Whoa!
Mom.
Peyton, that shark just swam right over you.
No.
Is that crazy or what?
Yeah.
Look at this. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Right above you guys. Is that crazy or what? Oh, look at Liv, it's right above you. That is crazy.
Would you ever go swimming with sharks?
No, never.
Yeah. What'd you say? No, never.
No, never. That's probably like you, babe. Would
Yep.
you ever go swimming with sharks?
No, never.
Peyton, would you ever go swimming with sharks? You would?
Oh, you can see
Tiny sharks?
alligators.
Whoa, cool. Whoa, is that a giant turtle?
And there's sharks hiding behind there.
Oh my goodness.
Like,
Oh, there is. They're like sleeping under there, huh? They're like camouflaged. You can barely even see them. at all these fish and sharks. This would be like a dream to have something like
Baby
this.
turtles are
I know. Look at that. All these fishes everywhere. I don't know what that one's eating something. Eating the poop. But yeah, this is really cool. I love this aquarium feel. It feels like you're literally in the water. Whoa, check out those guys.
Don't hit it. The other one's coming your way.
How scratched that glass is, probably from their
Their nails?
nails and stuff, yeah.
It's like looking at you, babe.
Ooh, it's like sitting. Trip.
Missing a lot of teeth. Looks like Liv.
Look at it, it looks like it wants to like hang out. I'm almost afraid to put my finger there.
It's just glass.
I know, but you put your finger there then.
You do it first.
I did, look at.
That's all. Here, let me.
So the girls are now in line to meet Bubble Guppies, which is one of the shows that they watched as little kids. So this is really cool.
Look at Bubble Puppy! Ah, so cute! Say bye!
That's some stringy cheese right there, huh? All right, you guys, we are now at our last stop here in Minnesota. The last stop. Sad, huh? We had a really good time hanging out. We actually met a lot of people that became friends with, and it's really cool like seeing you guys. So thank you for coming up and saying hi to us if you did. What were you gonna say, Libby?
No, you already said it. That we met a lot of people.
We did. That was really cool, huh? It was really nice of them to come and say hi, huh?
Yep.
And we are eating a really good place. This pizza looks amazing. This is like full-on slices of pineapple right there.
And
bacon.
This pizza.
Yeah, that is good. Peyton's already digging into hers. Is it good?
Does it taste normal?
It's like as big as her face. Look at that.
Does it taste normal?
Does it taste normal?
Yep.
Looks like you have cilantro on your teeth or something.
Oh, it's been a long day, but a fun day, and we are gonna call it a night. So if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up? Is that Kitty saying give it a thumbs up? And subscribe if you're new.
And make Peace. Peace.